In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete emails in bulk on an Android device. So the first thing you want to do is you want to locate the Chrome app like you normally would. So here's the Chrome app. Please go ahead and open it up. Once you're over here, please go to the top left and select on this house icon right over here. And now what you want to do is you want to go to the top right, press on these three dots and make sure that desktop site is selected, because we actually need to do this process on the desktop version of Gmail, not the app, because the app is not going to allow you to do that. So that's why we need to do this. Now, unfortunately, it's not really optimized for mobile devices, so you may need to go ahead and pinch your screen a little bit in order to access certain buttons and stuff like that. But anyways, once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar, then go ahead and look up gmail.com right over here, and then sign into your Gmail account already. All right, then once you sign into your Gmail, it is then going to bring you to the desktop version of Gmail right over here. And as you're able to tell, we do have our inbox over here. But anyways, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just pinch your screen a little bit, go to the top menu and select on this box icon. And that is going to select on every single Gmail, and then you can go ahead and press on the trash icon in order to delete it just like that. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.